Hello student, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. This is only for 11th and competitive exams, not for 12th. Stoichiometry problem based equation it is. Find the volume of hydrogen. Here find I have included, otherwise they have written right on the volume of hydrogen liberated at 27 degrees C and 760 mm pressure. Means if we are thinking that it is T1, okay, this is P1, so volume is V1. Clear? So this is we have to calculate volume V1. Okay, now further, by heating 0.6 milligram magnesium with excess of hydrochloric acid, given that 1 gram of hydrogen occupies 22.4 liter at STP and atomic mass is also given 24 gram per mole. So options are given. You should write down the balanced chemical equation. It is metal. Metal when react with acid and it is highly reactive metal, it displaces hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen is displaced by 24 gram. So 0.6 milligram of magnesium liberated by, calculate out, 22.4 divided by 24 is here multiplied by 0.6, answer will be 0.56 liter at NTPA. This is at STP. Okay, this is V2 we have calculated. Okay, that red pen it is. So V2 we have calculated, and because we have to find out V1. Okay, so formula is at NTP P1 V1 upon T1, at STP P2 V2 upon T2. So V1 we have to calculate, P1 760, T1 300. Here V2 calculated by equation, this 0.56 that answer we have got. So this is at STP, P2 760, T1 273 Kelvin. These are standard, and this is we have calculated. Okay, this so what we have to calculate V1. So what we will do, we will put this as it is, P2 V2 by T2, and then here this P1 should be just here, and T1 they are inversely related. So P1 here, T1 here, that's it. And then we will put the value. So this is not, this we omit this. This is not required. If they will give this type of equation, then only we have to do. They have asked V1. So we will put the value P2 V2 and solve it. You will get 168 by 273. Answer is 0.6154. That is here. If here it is, here B is the correct option. Okay. Again I will repeat. V1 is, we have to find out volume at NTP. Okay, at NTP we have to see. So at NTP V1 is here, P2 V2 by T2 as it is we will write down, and here V1 P1 and T1